Namaste and welcome to this 5-minute mindful break. Let us begin by gently closing the eyes and sitting upright in a comfortable posture. Take a slow, deep breath in and breathe out completely. Become aware of the body and relax the areas which seem tight or tense. Softening the facial muscles, eyebrow center, jaws. Relax the neck, shoulders, arms, chest, and the abdomen. Now become aware of the sounds around you. Start by listening to the sound furthest away, the most distant sound. Acknowledge this sound and move to the next sound. This way, keep moving the awareness from one sound to another. The intention is to only listen to the vibrations of every sound and not analyze the source or meaning. If the mind wanders, bring the awareness back, listening to even the silence between sounds. Now bring the awareness closer to the sounds outside the building. Moving to the sounds inside the building. And the sounds inside the room. Being aware of all the sounds in the room. Listening to even the most subtle sound of your breath. Now bring the awareness back to the body. Notice how you feel at this moment, physically and mentally. Blink open the eyes with a gentle smile. Welcome back. Listening to sound as an observer has a calming effect on our brain and the nervous system. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hari Om Tat Sat.